How many bottles did we buy?
Initially, when we started bottle feeding, it was a trial and error.
Everyone's introducing a bottle to their baby for so many different reasons. And,
right.
you know, those parents might be going from the breast to the bottle, back to the breast, or there might be parents that are just exclusively giving a bottle.
Yes.
And it's so amazing that they have a choice of what type of teat, or in your case, nipple, they want to use.
The trial package has been life-changing. The time and the money wasted on looking for the different bottles and the different teats was, yeah, kind of ridiculous.
Baby stuff is so expensive these days, so to have like one bottle that kind of fits whatever mood your baby's in is a big win.
Yeah. So we have a wide latch teat and we have a deep latch teat, and this is just to give parents a bit of an option because not all babies like to feed off of all different types of teat. You can get this perfect latch kit here which has them both in.
We've had a little bit of an experimentation with them. Some babies may do better with a deeper latch nipple, while others may do a little bit better with a wider latch nipple.
Bottle feeding was a lot easier, being able to get my partner to help me out, especially during night feeds.
On the first feed, I was nervous and overwhelmed just because I wasn't able to breastfeed. I'd heard a lot of people struggled with, not using the breast and using a bottle instead. Once she took the bottle really well, I was a lot more confident as a mother, and I was able to give her what she needed.
Once you start figuring things out, the only thing that's left is just enjoy what's going on. So you can just look into his eyes and be just present and happy, and there's not that worry.
I think on his first bottle and that first kind of week of doing it, I was as excited as he was.
But I kind of wish I knew how much extra time, how much freedom, how much, pressure I would have off my shoulders if I did have the bottles.